Safely process payments in your modern web application by seamlessly integrating Stripe with Next.js 134. First, we need to set up our environment by installing the necessary Stripe libraries for your server-side Node.js operations within your Next project. Next, we'll create a dedicated API route. This route will be the secure gateway on your server responsible for generating the critical payment intents required for every transaction. The server-side API route will generate a unique payment intent, which contains all the information needed to initiate a payment on the client side. This payment intent is then securely passed to the user's browser where they can interact with Stripe's client-side elements. On the client, we'll use Stripe's JavaScript library to present a beautiful and secure payment form, allowing users to enter their card details without your application ever directly touching sensitive information. Once the user confirms their payment, Stripe handles the heavy lifting, and we receive a confirmation back that can be used to update your application state, like marking an order as paid. To ensure real-time updates even when the user isn't actively viewing your site, we'll configure secure Webhook endpoints. This allows Stripe to notify your application about events like successful payments or disputes directly. By following these steps, you'll have a robust and secure payment processing system powered by Stripe, integrated directly into your Next.js 134 application.